KOCHI C400 Dishwasher Review. The ultimate savior for busy husbands who hate washing dishes. In today's fast-paced world, the kitchen can often become a battleground, especially when it comes to washing dishes. Many husbands dread this chore, and thankfully, appliances like the KOCHI C400 Dishwasher come to the rescue. Compact, efficient, and smartly designed, this dishwasher promises to transform the way we handle kitchen cleanup. After spending time with the KOCHI C400, here is an in-depth look at what makes it an impressive addition to any household. One of the very first things that caught my eye about the KOCHI C400 is its sleek and compact design. Measuring just 42.8 x 42.5 by 45.9 centimeters. This dishwasher is remarkably space-saving. Whether you have a small kitchen or want a portable solution for travel or camping, the C400 fits perfectly. Its small footprint means you can easily place it on your kitchen counter, or even take it along on road trips without worrying about space. The dishwasher's exterior features a clean, minimalist, white tone that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. This neutral color seamlessly blends with other kitchen appliances, helping maintain a cohesive and stylish look. The front panel is adorned with a transparent glass window, offering a clear view inside. This feature is not just aesthetic, but practical, as it lets you monitor the washing process and see your. The KOCHI C400 boasts a modern touch control panel located on the front. This panel is intuitive and packed with various features that allow you to customize the washing cycle according to your needs. Whether you want a quick wash or a more intensive cleaning session, the controls make it easy to select the right mode. Additionally, the panel displays the remaining time for the current cycle, keeping you informed about the progress. This transparency helps you plan your kitchen activities without any guesswork or interruptions. Opening the dishwasher reveals a well-thought-out interior, designed to maximize space efficiency. The C400 includes a large dish rack suitable for plates and bowls, a smaller tray for chopsticks and spoons, and an upper rack specifically designed to hold glasses. Despite its compact size, the dishwasher can comfortably accommodate approximately 4 full-place settings, 3 bowls, 4 to 8 sets of chopsticks and spoons, and 3 glasses of moderate height. While the dishwasher excels at handling light cookware and tableware, it may not be ideal for large pots and pans due to limited interior space. If you frequently cook with big pots, you might find the C400 less accommodating. However, for everyday dishes, bowls, cutlery, and glasses, it performs admirably. A convenient feature inside is the detachable residue filter, located beneath the washing chamber. This filter traps leftover food particles during washing, preventing drain clogs and ensuring smooth water flow. The removable design means cleaning the filter is hassle-free, requiring only a quick lift and rinse. Unlike many conventional dishwashers that require a fixed water connection, the KOCHI C400 offers remarkable flexibility. You can either connect it directly to a water inlet, hose for continuous water supply, or fill its 5-liter internal water tank manually. This dual approach allows for easy placement and mobility. You're not restricted by plumbing, which means you can move and use the dishwasher wherever it's most convenient. This portability is especially useful for those living in rental apartments, traveling, or even for outdoor use. Filling the water tank or attaching a hose takes just moments, making the setup quick and straightforward. Operating the dishwasher couldn't be easier. It uses detergent tablets designed for dishwashers. There's a rectangular compartment located inside the door, where you place the detergent tablet before starting a cycle. The door closes securely, and the machine handles the rest. The dishwasher even comes with a starter pack of detergent tablets, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. The KOCHI C400 provides a rich variety of washing modes to cater to different requirements. Normal 69 minutes ideal for regular dishwashing with balanced cleaning and energy consumption. Fast 29 minutes for when you need clean dishes quickly. Eco 59 minutes conserves water and energy, while still providing efficient cleaning. Strong 89 minutes perfect for heavily soiled dishes with stubborn residues. Fruit 19 minutes special mode for washing fruits gently and hygienically. These options give you the freedom to select the most suitable cycle, optimizing time, water, and energy use based on the task at hand. One of the standout attributes of the KOCHI DWC400 is its UV sterilization and drying function. The dishwasher not only cleans but also uses ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and eliminate odors, ensuring that your dishes are hygienically safe. The continuous sterilization feature allows you to leave clean dishes inside the dishwasher for up to 73 hours, without worrying about bacterial growth or unpleasant smells. This is incredibly convenient if you're not immediately using your clean dishes, or want to store them hygienically inside the machine. Moreover, the drying function uses heated air to thoroughly dry your dishes after washing, preventing water spots and keeping everything sparkling clean. Inside, the dishwasher is equipped with multiple spray nozzles, located both above and below the racks. These nozzles provide a 360-degree water spray, targeting every corner and crevice of your dishes. The strong water pressure removes leftover food and grime, effectively leaving nothing behind. An additional warm water rinse at the end of the cycle is a welcome touch. This final rinse helps dissolve tough stains and grease, making sure your dishes come out spotless. This feature is particularly useful for oily or sticky residues that are harder to clean with cold water alone. Noise can be a significant annoyance with many dishwashers, especially in open-plan living spaces. However, the KOCHI DWC400 impresses with its quiet performance. Operating at only 48 decibels, it is whisper quiet, allowing you to run it anytime without disturbing your household or sleeping children. While the dishwasher delivers powerful cleaning performance with a maximum power of 950 W, it is surprisingly energy efficient. According to the manufacturer's data, a full cycle, including washing and drying, consumes only about 0.6 kilowatt-hours, 600 watts per 2-hour cycle. This low power consumption helps save on electricity bills, without sacrificing cleaning quality. The KOCHI DWC400 dishwasher offers a compelling package of compact design, versatile features, and user-friendly operation. It fits perfectly into small kitchens and even travel setups, thanks to its portability and flexible water supply options. With multiple washing modes, advanced sterilization, efficient drying, and quiet operation, it's a smart choice for busy households or anyone looking to simplify their dishwashing routine. Its capacity suits everyday dishes rather than large pots, making it ideal for light to moderate kitchen tasks. The energy-efficient operation ensures that you won't have to worry about excessive power bills, and the intuitive touch controls make usage effortless. For those seeking a reliable, space-saving dishwasher that can rescue them from the daily drudgery of washing dishes by hand, the KOCHI DWC400 stands out as a fantastic option, truly a kitchen helper worth considering.